Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. The Kia Carnival is built for families and busy schedules, but a few smart upgrades can make daily driving even smoother. In today's video, we're covering 25 practical accessories designed specifically for the Kia Carnival. You'll see interior organization tools, protection upgrades, and simple exterior additions that help your vehicle stay cleaner and more functional. These picks are made for real life, helping you save space, reduce clutter, and improve comfort for every passenger. From short city drives to long road trips, these accessories are made to support your lifestyle. All the products shown are available on Amazon. Check the description below for the links. Let's take a look at the best Kia Carnival accessories you can add today. Very first on the list, roof rack crossbars for Kia Carnival. Expand your hauling capabilities for the ultimate family road trip. These roof rack crossbars are engineered specifically for the Kia Carnival to provide a sturdy and aerodynamic foundation. Whether you are mounting a large cargo carrier, a set of kayaks, or extra luggage, these bars offer the strength you need with minimal wind noise. The secure locking system ensures your gear stays safe throughout the journey. Prepare your multi-purpose vehicle for any adventure and take everything you need along for the ride. Coming up next, running boards for Kia Carnival. Make entering and exiting your vehicle easier for passengers of all ages. These custom-fit running boards are designed to complement the sleek profile of your Kia Carnival. They provide a wide, non-slip stepping surface that offers extra stability and safety when loading the family. Beyond their practical use, these boards act as a shield against road debris and side impacts in tight parking spots. Elevate the style of your van while adding a layer of daily convenience for every passenger. Next must have floor mats for Kia Carnival. Protect your premium interior from the inevitable messes of a busy lifestyle. These heavy-duty floor liners are laser measured to provide edge-to-edge coverage for every row of your Kia Carnival. The deep channels and raised walls are designed to trap spills, mud, and sand before they reach your carpet. Made from a durable and odorless material, they are incredibly easy to remove and wash clean. Keep your cabin looking brand new and preserve your vehicle's resale value through every season. Next item in our list, cargo mat for Kia Carnival. Guard your rear storage area against heavy gear and messy hauls. This custom-fit cargo mat is designed to cover the trunk floor of your Kia Carnival perfectly, providing a waterproof barrier for your upholstery. The non-slip surface prevents groceries and strollers from sliding around while you drive. Whether you are transporting sports equipment or home improvement supplies, this mat makes cleanup as simple as a quick wipe down. It is a vital accessory for keeping your cargo space pristine and protected. Next on the list, center console organizer for Kia Carnival. Transform your large storage bin into a perfectly sorted command center. This center console organizer is a precision-molded tray that fits right into your Kia Carnival armrest compartment. It provides dedicated slots for your phone, coins, and small essentials, so you never have to search through a deep bin again. The high-quality construction ensures a quiet fit, while the included rubber liners keep your items from shifting during travel. Stay organized and keep your cockpit clutter-free and functional. Next, we have center console armrest cover for Kia Carnival. Add a layer of luxury and protect your high-touch surfaces from wear. This center console armrest cover is tailored for a snug fit on the wide console of your Kia Carnival. It shields the factory material from sweat, skin oils, and pet scratches that can cause permanent damage. The soft padding provides extra support for your arm during long highway drives. It is an easy way to maintain a clean interior look and ensure your center armrest stays in showroom condition for years to come. Next on the list, anti-dust cup holder inserts for Kia Carnival. Keep every interior pocket looking spotless with minimal effort. These anti-dust cup holder inserts are custom cut for the Kia Carnival to fit inside door bins and center consoles. They catch crumbs, dust, and sticky residue before they get trapped in your plastic trim. The vibrant accents add a nice custom touch to your dashboard, while the non-slip surface keeps your items quiet. When things get dirty, just pop them out for a quick rinse, and your interior stays fresh and ready for the road. Next item in our list, dashboard cover mat for Kia Carnival. Protect your dashboard from the sun and eliminate distracting windshield glare. This custom dashboard cover mat is designed to match the specific contours and air vents of your Kia Carnival. It acts as a thermal barrier to keep your cabin cooler and prevents the plastic from fading or cracking over time. The high-quality fabric provides a soft, refined look to your cockpit while ensuring your visibility remains clear in bright conditions. It is a smart investment for the long-term health of your interior. Coming up next door, Sill Protector for Kia Carnival. Stop scuffs and scratches from damaging your paint every time the doors open. These door sill protectors provide a rugged shield for the entry points of your Kia Carnival. They are made from durable materials that can handle heavy foot traffic and the daily wear of busy passengers. The sleek design integrates perfectly with your door frame for a professional factory look. Installation is quick and secure, providing an instant defense against the inevitable kicks and scrapes of everyday use. Next, must-have trailer hitch for Kia Carnival. Unlock the full utility of your vehicle for towing and extra storage. This heavy-duty trailer hitch is engineered to fit the frame of your Kia Carnival perfectly, providing a secure mounting point for bike racks or utility trailers. The durable powder-coated finish ensures it resists rust and corrosion through years of outdoor adventures. Whether you are hauling extra gear for a move or taking the bikes to the park, this hitch gives you the strength and versatility you need to expand your horizons. Next on the list, leather seat cover for Kia Carnival. Give your cabin a massive luxury upgrade while providing total protection for the whole family. These leather seat covers are custom tailored for the Kia Carnival to ensure a perfect fit across all rows. They offer a waterproof and durable barrier against spills, crumbs, and daily wear without affecting seat functionality. The premium material is soft to the touch and incredibly easy to wipe clean after a long trip. Preserve your original upholstery and enjoy a more sophisticated interior look that lasts for years. Coming up next, tempered glass screen protector for Kia Carnival. Shield your high-tech infotainment system from scratches and oily fingerprints. This tempered glass screen protector is precision cut to match the expansive display of your Kia Carnival perfectly. It provides a tough layer of defense against accidental bumps while maintaining crystal clear clarity and full touch sensitivity. It is an essential safeguard for your vehicle's most important digital interface. Next, must-have rain guards for Kia Carnival. Enjoy fresh air circulation regardless of the weather outside. These rain guards are aerodynamically designed to fit the window channels of your Kia Carnival seamlessly. They allow you to leave your windows cracked during a downpour without letting water inside the cabin. This accessory also helps reduce wind noise at highway speeds and minimizes interior heat buildup when your vehicle is parked in the sun. It is a practical and stylish addition that improves airflow and passenger comfort on every journey. Next item in our list, rear bumper protector for Kia Carnival. Prevent unsightly scuffs and paint chips when loading heavy luggage or gear. This rear bumper protector acts as a rugged shield for the top surface of your Kia Carnival bumper. It is made from a durable, slip-resistant material that handles the weight of suitcases and strollers without scratching the finish underneath. The low-profile design blends perfectly with the rear of your vehicle for a factory look. Keep your exterior looking pristine and avoid expensive paint repairs with this simple adhesive protection. Next on the list, mud flaps for Kia Carnival. Guard your paint from road debris and maintain a cleaner exterior profile. These mud flaps are molded to fit the wheel wells of your Kia Carnival with absolute precision. They deflect rocks, mud, and road salt away from your lower body panels, preventing chips and long-term corrosion. The heavy-duty construction is built to withstand harsh weather conditions without cracking or fading. It is a functional upgrade that keeps your van looking fresh and reduces the frequency of car washes after a rainy drive. Next, we have window shades for Kia Carnival. Keep your passengers cool and protect your interior from intense sunlight. These custom-fit window shades are designed to cover the large glass surfaces of your Kia Carnival perfectly. They block damaging UV rays and significantly reduce cabin temperatures, making the second and third rows much more comfortable for children. The easy-to-install design allows for quick removal when not in use. Maintain your privacy and prevent your premium trim from fading with this vital cooling accessory for family travel. Next item in our list, front and rear dash cam for Kia Carnival. Record every mile of your journey with complete peace of mind. This front and rear dash cam system provides high-definition coverage for your Kia Carnival, capturing the road ahead and the traffic behind. It offers vital evidence in the event of an accident and features parking monitoring to watch over your vehicle while you are away. With loop recording and G-sensor technology, your footage is always secure. It is a smart security investment that keeps a second set of eyes on your surroundings. Coming up next, seat gap filler for Kia Carnival. Stop losing your essentials in the hard-to-reach spaces between your seats. This seat gap filler is designed to fit snugly between the front seats and center console of your Kia Carnival. It creates a seamless bridge that prevents phones, keys, and loose change from falling into the dark abyss below. The high-quality material moves with your seat adjustments and matches your interior for a clean look. Keep your cockpit organized and ensure your most important items stay right by your side at all times. Next, must-have trunk organizer for Kia Carnival. Master your cargo space and keep your gear perfectly sorted during every trip. This heavy-duty trunk organizer is built to handle the massive rear storage area of the Kia Carnival. It features multiple reinforced compartments to secure everything from emergency supplies to your weekly grocery haul. The non-slip bottom ensures it stays in place during sharp turns, while the collapsible design allows you to fold it flat when you need the full floor space. Say goodbye to clutter and enjoy a tidy, functional rear cabin. Next on the list, key fob cover for Kia Carnival. Protect your remote from accidental drops and everyday scratches with a stylish layer of defense. This key fob cover provides a rugged shield tailored specifically for the Kia Carnival remote. The high-quality material offers a comfortable grip and prevents buttons from wearing down over time without interfering with the signal. It is an easy way to customize your keys while shielding them from liquid spills and pocket wear. Keep your essential tech in showroom condition and avoid expensive replacement costs with this simple sleeve. Next, we have Chrome Delete Vinyl Trim Overlay for Kia Carnival. Give your minivan a sleek and sophisticated modern makeover. This Chrome Delete Vinyl Trim Overlay is precision cut to cover the bright accents on your Kia Carnival with a premium matte or gloss finish. The high-grade vinyl is weather-resistant and designed to withstand car washes and UV exposure without peeling. It is the perfect way to achieve a custom blacked-out look that makes your vehicle stand out from the crowd. Transform your exterior and protect your factory trim with this stylish and durable upgrade. Coming up next, waterproof outdoor car cover for Kia Carnival. Shield your vehicle from the elements with a heavy-duty protective barrier. This waterproof outdoor car cover is tailored to the exact dimensions of your Kia Carnival for full-body coverage. The multi-layered fabric blocks rain, snow, and harmful UV rays while remaining breathable to prevent moisture buildup underneath. It features a soft inner lining to protect your paint from scratches and reinforced straps to keep it secure during windy weather. Preserve your showroom finish and keep your van clean regardless of where you park. Next, must-have steering wheel cover for Kia Carnival. Enhance your driving comfort and protect your steering wheel from daily wear. This cover is designed to fit the Kia Carnival wheel like a glove, providing a thick and comfortable grip for every journey. It shields your factory leather from oils and sun damage that can cause fading or cracking over time. The breathable material ensures a steady temperature in both summer heat and winter cold. Add a layer of luxury to your cockpit while maintaining total control and a fresh interior look for your family hauler. Next item in our list, car trunk hanging organizer for Kia Carnival. Reclaim your floor space and keep your cargo perfectly sorted behind the seats. This car trunk hanging organizer attaches to the rear headrests of your Kia Carnival, utilizing the unused vertical space in your trunk. It features multiple deep pockets for emergency kits, cleaning supplies, and kids' toys, keeping them upright and secure while you drive. It is the ultimate storage solution for busy families who need to keep their gear organized and accessible. Last on the list, gear shift knob cover for Kia Carnival. Add a touch of style and protect your gear selector from daily friction. This gear shift knob cover is designed for a snug fit over the shifter in your Kia Carnival. It prevents the factory finish from wearing down or becoming scratched by rings and keys. The premium material provides a comfortable texture for every shift and is easy to clean with a quick wipe. It is a subtle but effective way to personalize your center console while keeping one of your most used interior components looking brand new. Upgrade your Kia Carnival with smart, adventure-ready accessories built for comfort, protection, and everyday convenience. From family road trips to weekend escapes, these carefully selected upgrades help keep your ride organized, durable, and ready for anything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.